Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming model and power. Make sure the doorbell is charged or wired and your phone is logged into the Google Home app. Once done, open the app and go to the device card for the doorbell. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Next, locate the physical reset button or pinhole on the unit. This is the only way to factory reset most Google Home doorbells. Prepare a paperclip if the button is recessed and be ready to press and hold. You now perform the critical hold. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Maintain firm pressure and don't let go early. Watch the LED. It will change color or blink rhythmically to indicate reset is starting, and you might hear a chime or voice prompt confirming factory reset. While holding, keep the doorbell powered and your phone within range of Wi-Fi. Once the LED pattern changes, release the button and allow the device. After the unit finishes clearing, open Google Home and choose Add Device to begin setup from scratch. Follow the on-screen Wi-Fi and account prompts. If setup fails, make sure your router is on, prefer 4 GHz Wi-Fi, and power cycle the router and doorbell before retrying. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device won't pair after reset, perform the reset sequence one more time, exactly 10-15 seconds, and ensure no temporary network filters or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.